We just added a new way to build and use agents, a way that feels much more native. N8N is already well known for its agent nodes. Their modularity is great, but it also means that there's a set number of steps that you always need to do just to get started. And for anything advanced, it's up to the user to build into the workflow themselves. That's why we added agents. Agents live in their own tab next to workflows. The setup you're used to doing in the workflow is now all in one simple place, from wiring in chat connections, RAG, episodic memory, and subagents too. It's all just built in as a toggle with sensible defaults. So now when you make an agent, you're starting with something that actually works and is capable instead of a blank canvas. The simplicity isn't removing capabilities either. It's actually become more powerful. Skills work natively, you can upload full folders with reference files as well. We have a huge library of tool nodes you can add, and you can still use sub-workflows as tools, of course. We've also recently added an MCP library, where even on self-hosted, you can get one-click connections to popular services. The agent can even be configured to run in the background. Use the schedules to give an agent an objective, and it will trigger at that time and use all the resources it has to complete the task. And you can use it similarly to what you're used to with agent nodes in the canvas with the new message agent node. So you can make one agent that has all the tools, skills, and personality that you need, and use that same agent throughout different workflows and systems. Or even cooler, just use a native chat connection in the agent setup and use it without any workflows at all. This unlocks the ability to do non-deterministic tasks in N8N while still having the observability, security, and human in the loop you'd expect from N8N. Agents are now available on cloud and the free self-hosted plan in preview. That means that things will be changing really frequently and we'll be shipping fixes really fast. Go try and build one. The N8N assistant can even help you or just do it all for you, so it's super easy to get started. Check out the links attached for more info.